Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making cheesesteak sliders and I'm going to show you guys everything I need to start the process. Okay, so the items you will need is Hawaiian rolls. I have a 24 pack here. Mild cheddar cheese, some provolone cheese, some garlic powder, seasoning salt, all-purpose, black pepper, a brush, and you're gonna need, of course, steak, Philly steak, and I can't forget the other side. You're gonna need onions and peppers. I usually use the green ones as well, but today I'm just gonna use the red ones because of course I forgot the green ones, so this is what I'll be using. I started sauteing the peppers and the onions. We also need some butter for the top of the rolls at the end before they go in the oven. So I'm sauteing this right now. I'm going to add the meat. See how it's coming on so far? Just let it cook. Let it cook. Okay, I already cut the bread down the center. You know you have to cut it in the middle so it can turn into your little sandwich. Also have to preheat our oven to 350 so we can get everything squared away, and then we'll place that in the oven for at least 15 minutes. I'm going to actually start seasoning it. I'm going to put some seasoned salt in there. You got to season your food for a taste. You don't want it to taste like nothing. Some black pepper in here. And we put some garlic powder. And it smells good too. It really smells good. Now I am going to show you how you have to have some butter. I'm going to actually put the garlic powder in there because this is going to actually go on top of a little bit of pepper. This is going to go on top of the roll. Go right across the top of the roll. I'm going to actually take the provolone cheese. The scissors can't cut. Now I'm going to cut this. Hands are already washed. Okay. The provolone cheese, I am going to actually fill the bottom of the bread up with the provolone cheese. Stir that meat. open the other one. It wasn't enough. These things are so hard to open. And I'm getting it, I'm getting it. So I actually added 12 pieces of provolone cheese. I think this is just about done. Just about done. Look at it. And now that my meat is all done, we're just going to add it to the slider, the actual, on top of the provolone cheese. Mind you, the bread is at the bottom part of the bread. Now I'm going to use all this meat. And I use about half a pack of the meat. And that was, it was 21 sandwich steaks in the actual pack. I say maybe a little over a half with the pack, but you can use as much as you like. Depends on how big your family is. You know, some households has bigger families than others. And right now, it's just 3 of us in the household right now until everybody else come home. But we're going to actually start eating early. Nobody else is here, so. All over everywhere. Little pieces on the side. Put all that meat on there. This sandwich deserves all the meat. All of it. I want all of it on it. All of it. Okay. So you see how that looks? Looks like kind of like a pizza at the top. A steak pizza. So now I'm going to add some cheddar cheese on the top. Want it cheesy, guys. I want it cheesy. Cheesy, cheesy, cheesy. Cheesy, cheesy, cheesy. I'll use the rest of this cheese. About gone anyway. About gone anyway. Right. We got cheese all over. Okay, now I'm going to add my top part. I'm gonna actually start putting the butter, a little sauce that I just made on the top, and just look. Let it sit there, all that butter get inside of there. Okay, I'm gonna throw this in there for 15 minutes and then I'll show you guys the end results. Guys, this is the end results. I'm gonna actually cut into one of them for you so you can see what it's about. Show you what it's all about. It's hot. It's hot. Look how good they look. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification button so you'll know when the next video upload. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe like I just told y'all. Thanks for watching. Until next time. See ya.